Here's how to use the OpenAI's new feature, Deep Research. To activate it, all you have to do is click on Deep Research. You have an option to pick and choose your models. I'm going to stick with GPT-4o for now and simply paste your prompt. And here I'm looking for most effective strategies for engaging students in an online class. And this is all that I want. Impact of AI tools on student learning and participation. How would this be beneficial for educators? And what do I need to do to enhance all of this? And then I'm going to click send. And here it's asking me for detailed questions, who my target audience are. And I just said higher education. And I want my list as a summarized rank list. And I only want the research to be for United States. And I only want data from past 1 year. And I'm going to click send. And here it has completed the research in 8 minutes and gave me 24 different sources. And here are the list of all the sources. It's top online learning engagement strategies, active learning and interactive course design. And it's also given me the sources where I can look and get more information, and regular instructor presence and timely feedback. This is number 2. I mean, this is so important, and I keep stressing this. Instructor presence has to be there just to motivate and encourage our students. Social learning communities like peer discussions, networking, so they can feel part of the class, and multimedia content, of course. And here I also have gamification and interactive challenge modules. This is unbelievable. And I do have blending online with human touch and in-person elements. So all of this is available with the Deep Research. Here are all my sources. I can go ahead and ask me to give me a list in, one-liners, or just make it into a table format. And here it's giving me in the table format just to have a clear picture of exactly what I'm looking into. And if I want to dig deeper, I do have all my resources and my sources right here. Enjoy and follow for more.